Welcome. Thank you for stopping by. This one's super simple. It's just the M46 Pershing driving around the backyard, and it's not recent footage. It's before I started moving around a lot of like the front gate in the road and how I'm doing it now. Kind of this will be a good marker for showing how it was beforehand, and I accidentally shot this footage in like 60 frames 4K, so if you're seeing it here in 4K 60 frames, it's just to put it up there in that high quality and have it as a milestone of what it used to look like and how cool it's going to be here coming up soon. I'm not going to include any footage today of what it looks like right now. I've got a big bridge in the river being dug out and a bunch of other roads being made by the front end loader and dump truck. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming this week. I have some new buildings as well too for like the off-site dirt storage. I have like a big platform that I've risen up with cables and a ramp to give the dump truck a little bit more height when it's stacking up the sand and soil so that it doesn't get level. This probably won't have too loud of music. That won't be the main focus. It was really nice audio of just driving around in the rain. It was the first drive out with this Pershing as well too. You'll see I treated it pretty rough for its first drive around the yard. Doing things that you wouldn't normally take a tank to do, going up and over boulders and rocks and stuff, but it did it, and it did it pretty well, so here it is. that was it. Thank you guys for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you've got a second and if you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what kind of buildings and other structures you want to see around there. I'm going to be working on silos, like storage units, containers, gas stations. I need to make a garage for a lot of the vehicles to start out in and kind of like a main starting area for the course. And let me know if you guys have any other cool ideas you'd like to see. I'll see you next time. Peace out, everybody. Love y'all.